You need to listen. That's why.
How much money is in your guys' bank account?
Like 50 grand.
50 grand?
A little bit, it's like around.
162,000. I don't know.
162,000.
What?
Yeah, my dad gave it. My dad gave it to me for college. So
You pay for all this food and clothes and shit, and you got all that money?
160,000?
College, like I used it for college and stuff. But I let him pay for other stuff. For other stuff.
Why?
Because it's like
I'm struggling out here. You're using all that money for. You making me pay all this money? You got all that?
It's good for me because then I don't need to pay for you. But then the boy's supposed to pay, so then I like that he pays for me. Not like
I earned it hard myself.
Yeah, but my dad gave it to me for college.
Okay.
I don't know. I didn't think this would bother you.
What else?